Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to make one of my go-to meals, marinated salmon. Very fast, very easy. All right, I'm going to set up everything and show you how I do it. All right, we're all ready to go here. We have steelhead salmon, garlic, parsley, olive oil, soy sauce, honey, salt, lemon pepper, and black pepper. And I will list the various amounts in the notes of this video, but pretty straight ahead thing. So the next thing we're going to do is we are going to combine all the ingredients, with the exception of the salmon, into a bowl. All right, I've put all these ingredients in the little bowl here for the marinade, and now I shall combine them. I was whisking for about maybe 60 seconds just to get everything, mixed in together properly. It looks good, smells good, and now it's time to add the salmon. Okay, the next step is to cover it with plastic wrap and put it in the fridge, let it marinate. Recommend at least 30 minutes, but you can do it up to 5-6 hours. And now we wait. Okay, that part's done. And now we're going to turn on the oven, put it up to 425, and we're going to cook the salmon for about 10 to 15 minutes. All right, it's done. That was 14 minutes in the oven, cooked at 425. And there you go. Marinated salmon. I usually have that with rice or quinoa and roasted veggies. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed doing it for you. See you soon.